Hi Rob, this is Bob Rholzhacker with Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. Here we have our 2016 E-Class 4MATIC. It's really well equipped. It's just like a new car. It has collision prevention assist using the radar on the front of the car to stop you if traffic stops suddenly. Has the AMG Sport wheels, which really sports it up nicely. COMAND navigation. You have the beautiful black interior, heated seats, of course. It really presents very nicely. 51,000 miles. And the car has a nice Carfax, all the things you look for, one owner, no accidents. Plenty of room in the back seat. It really is a nice size car for travel with 4 or 5 people. Huge trunk space back here, enough for a couple of sets of golf clubs. You might not have seen this before. It's called the Comfort Box, and if you've gone to CVS or somewhere, have a little bag, put it in here to keep things from rolling around. Kind of a neat invention. Let's take a look at this side. All the panels look good. We're getting a lot of pollen here, of course. The car has new Continental tires on it. We do that as part of the CPO process, certified pre-owned. Mercedes makes us go through the car from top to bottom. We have to replace or update anything that doesn't meet their standards to become a Mercedes pre-owned car, and tires are one of them. So you have a unlimited mileage warranty by Mercedes-Benz until March of 2021. So it really is a beautiful car for roughly half the price of a 2018. Rob, I hope you can come in and test drive this car today, tomorrow. I'd love to show it to you, and you really need to test drive a car to see if it's the car for you, as much as a video helps tell the story, and email and pictures and such. Driving these very competent, silent, heavy cars is what's going to make the deal. Okay, thank you.